The present status of the Chodan Salvador the Moon Bridge as on date, details of pending work to be carried out of this bridge, the reason on the constant delay of the bridge and the present status of the approach road bridge from Chodan and Salvador the Moon side, whether the NOC from TCP Tiswadi and TCP Bardesh Taluka has been obtained, whether the CRZ NOC is obtained to this bridge, whether the government has made provision of the funds for the financial year 2022-23 for the construction of bridge, and what is the fund allotment, what time frame to start the work of the bridge under which agency, considering the heavy rush of the people and vehicle from the Bicholim Narva to go across the river either by ferry or other routes is sort of struggle to the people from Mayam constituency. It is therefore requested to take up the work of this bridge as early as possible to give relief to the commuters, which is the biggest dream of Mayam constituency. And I am confident that the government will take the appropriate steps to achieve this dream for the construction of Chodan Salvador the Moon Bridge as early as possible.
Yes. Rudolf Fernandes. Next.
स्पीकर सर, आमदार पेमेंद्र शेट हांणी जो आतां झिरोवर मेन्शन केला तो ब्रिज आमी GSITCच्या अंडर घेतला. लँड एक्विजिशन प्रोसेस तेजो चालू आसा. थोडे NOCs मेळूंक ना, तोय स्वता प्रयत्न करता. तेजी कंटिन्युअसली फुडले फावटी मिटींग घेवन उरलेले लँड एक्विजिशन आमी कंप्लीट करता आनी तो ब्रिज जाता तितके बेगीन कंप्लीट करपा जाय. बिचोले तालुक्यांतल्या लोकां खातीर हो ब्रिज म्हत्वाचो आसा. ताज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक विशेश करून चड म्हत्वाचो. डिस्टन्स खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात शॉर्ट जातले. फेरीचेर खूब रश आसता, म्हणजे चोडण रायबंदर फेरीचेर खूब व्हडल्या प्रमाणात रश आसता, पूण आमी जाता तितको बेगीन ब्रिज घेवपाचो प्रयत्न करता.